Don't judge me. Hope I didn't poke a hole in any of my vitamins. So not. Whoa.
Hey, it's nice to meet ya. Are you trying to get put onto a feature? I'm not playing favorites. Please don't call me teacher. You can call me sensei or maybe onita.
What's up, yay gang? What's going on? How's your life? Because mine's is okay. So today in this video, I have just got my box of Ritual vitamins. I am so excited. I wanted to share my first impressions with you guys and, you know, just see and get my real feel of these vitamins because I've been seeing them around for such a long time and I always just wanted to get my hands on it and stuff, but like it just was never the right time and I just, you know, procrastination. So in this video, we're going to be talking about different aspects of the vitamins, why I'm taking the vitamins and stuff like that. So if you think that's interesting, you know, give me a like and comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already and join the yay gang. Okay, without further ado, let's get into this. So I have been searching for women's vitamins for a very long time, but my body is super picky about what goes into it and what I'm gonna like. I don't like the things with a lot of added sugar. I just want it plain. Like I just want everything to be as organic, straight pickings from the garden. Like I don't want anything with anything added because I feel like that defeats the purpose of me taking the vitamin if I could just try to get it from food sources. But again, with food sources, it's not always accurate for me, at least, because I am a city dweller and you already know, living in the city, you have a lot of temptations. And I don't have the best track record. I do eat healthy and I can cook, but I don't have the best track record when I go outside. So, and to counteract that and fill in a lot of gaps, I've been looking for a vitamin that can actually help me and just keep my body regular and feeling great. So fast forward a couple of months and years, I stumbled upon Ritual, and Ritual I seen in 2018. I don't know if that's when they came out, but I've been seeing them, like, you know, ads on YouTube and stuff. And I was like, you know, that looks cool and stuff, but you know, your girl was in a different path, so I wasn't really like on it, and I never really gave it a try, and I didn't think anything of it. And I, you know, kind of stumbled on it, and went past it. I started trying other vitamins, and you know, like on Main Choice for my hair, but I never really had like the full body vitamins that I really needed and my body was craving, especially me being anemic. Like I don't take iron pill supplements, even though I really should, and I lack a lot of vitamin D. So, you know, finding like a worthy pill or like vitamin to take is the most ideal for me. So during this quarantine, I actually started to look at different alternatives and different vitamins, healthy ones that, you know, use no additives, because you know we have a lot of people going into the vegan only and no GMOs market. So I just been looking and trying my best to find them. And then I just dawned on me, I haven't seen Ritual in a long time. Let me just type their name in and see what's going on, you know, see if they added anything else. And I think what made me want to buy Ritual even more was because of the fact that when I went on the site, they only added 2 other vitamins. You know, they wasn't trying to add a whole bunch of different vitamins for different lines. They showed you their product. It was this one vitamin. They made one to be user-friendly for older women, and they made one to be user-friendly for pregnant women. So it's only these 3 bottles, one for my age group, one for older people, and then one for pregnant women. I absolutely love that, because to me it feels like they're not trying to make money making a whole bunch of different vitamins and making you pick and choose and get this one too because this is for beauty and this one is for sleep. Like they just showed you, like, bro, we're doing this full body, this is what we have, and you know, it is what it is. And there's not a lot of products that's like that. I feel like there's a lot of companies that just milk just to milk vitamins, tries to just put out as much as they can to get out their people, so they're not really thinking about us and how it's going to affect our bodies. They're just trying to figure out how it's going to affect their pockets. I'm just saying, I'm just telling the truth. So however, the Ritual is a multi-female vitamin, okay? So multi-women's vitamin that you take twice daily, and you can eat it with food or water. It is vegan friendly, no GMOs, no colorants, and visibly no stomach upset. So like if you're the type of person that really can't take pills, it is nothing like that. Like it's very easy to keep down, and they also make it with mint. Can't wait to see it. But like basically when you take the pill, there's a burst of mint in it, so it just helps it and makes you not like gag. Also, the pills is actually made and harvested fresh ingredients freshly every day. That's why they send it to you monthly on a prescription. Every month on the dot, at the same time, so you never mix or mess up any of your vitamins. They do that because they don't want to add any preservatives inside the vitamins. A lot of vitamins that you actually see in the store, in Walmart, and Whole Foods and stuff like that have preservatives, so they have an elongated shelf life. And if they have an elongated shelf life, it's going to be sitting on the shelf for God knows how long, and they're still going to sell it to you because it didn't expire yet. So you're not really getting the benefits of the vitamin. You're basically just getting the leftovers, and that in turn causes a lot of acne and side effects and stuff like that, which you shouldn't even be getting for vitamins. Like, there should be no side effects at all because it's all natural products from the ground up, unless like you're allergic to certain things. That is my take on it. It is an online website. You can go on ritual.com. The video is not sponsored. I use my own money to get this. I'm just relaying the facts and relaying all the wisdom so I can help anybody else who's in my predicament. You go on the website, you just pick which one you need in your age group, or if you're pregnant, you pick which one you need. Set up a delivery service and they'll just mail it to you. Mine got here relatively fast. I think it only took like 6 or 5 days for it to come here from the day I ordered, which is super quick, especially during these times that we're in. I really am excited about that. That means I'm not going to be waiting for something to come for like 2-3 weeks and make me just not want to take my vitamins again. So it just came. I'm not gonna lie, I already kind of ripped it open because I didn't know what it was. So I was really excited. So I kind of like because I was just like, oh wait, what is it? And then I read it and I was like, oh, it's Ritual. So I didn't really get a look inside. I just kind of ripped it and like, oh wait, let's rewind a little bit. So this is about to be my first like unboxing of it. Sorry it looked kind of crazy, but I can't wait to really see it. Something dropped. This one is just a little pamphlet, and these, oh, it looks so cute. I love yellow. Just good looking science. I feel you. I feel you on that. So these are the vitamins. You know, they're really cute to look at. Like, it has this like a little bit of aesthetically pleasing kind of look to it. It has gel inside of it, and I think it has like mint, they said on the website, like put like a mint leaf in there, and I think that's that black spot that each one of the tablets have. There's like a little black speck in it. Gotta love a brand that has the seal on top, because we don't want nobody doing something to us. All right, and okay, I need help. Don't judge me. Hope I didn't poke a hole in any of my vitamins. Okay. So now, whoa. So this has mint written all over it. It is really minty. It smells really good. It smells like a nice little toothpaste. And I think it has like this tab in it. Hold up, what is this? It says this stays in the bottle, okay? So this must mean it keeps it fresh or something. It just looks so unique, to be honest. I feel like I can't forget to take these. It smells kind of, not like appetizing, but it gives you more incentive to try it because it smells like mint. Oh, no. Well, I'm done. So this had, oh, the bottle actually has charts on it. So it says here that this is day 1, and then it has day 15 and then day 30 on the bottom. So I'm guessing that's to help you keep track of how many days is left or how many days have been, you know, done with. You take this pill twice daily. So I know that there's a lot of like vitamin A also like items in it that they actually get fresh. So this has a shelf life. It's not like those pills that you actually buy in the store and you can keep it in your medicine cabinet for like 4 years and still be trying to take something. Like, this is not that pill. And on the website it actually has like, you set up your shipping date, how often you want it to come. It's just amazing. Like, I am so happy. It came in this cute little box and I can't wait to take it. So I'm gonna be taking these for a month, and after the month is up, I'm actually going to do another review, show you how my skin looks, how I'm taking it, how my body feels, stuff like that. In addition to this, I do have other vitamins that I am going to try. One like specific to specific areas like my hair and stuff like that, but this will be my main source of all my daily vitamins that I need and get, because you know there are certain vitamins that you just like, it's not even like you just don't eat the right foods to even obtain it. So I feel like that is very important, which is why I really do believe that if you're like 18 and up, like you maybe, like I'm 22 and I'm just trying to take some vitamins, I believe that you guys should, especially if you're like me, who's a city goer and your track record for homemade meals is not the best. Not saying I can't cook, don't play me, but I'm lazy. And where everything is convenient comes with a lot of temptation. So taking vitamins can be beneficial for you in the long run. I always say that I rather take vitamins every day than to be living my life on medicine. And that's just my opinion. I just know how it benefited some people in my family and who didn't take it. So I'm gonna go with the people who got the good results, okay? I ain't gonna listen to people who damn near is only 50 about to break down. I can't do it. So first impressions, I absolutely love how it looks, how the packaging is, and how fast it came. The mint, I didn't even think it would be that powerful. It's not overpowering, but it's like I felt like it needed to have that much, so like it just feels good when you take it, you know. And it's fresh mint leaves, so it's not like they just put a mint inside and called it a day. I feel like they focus more on the nutrients and absorbing and not really pretty packaging, even though their packaging is gorgeous and that is a part of the appeal. But they definitely stepped it up with the vitamins and making sure that it has every mineral and everything that it needs in it and making it very balanced. I'll list down the ingredients down below. I just can't think of it on top of my head and keep it flowing, and I want to be as accurate as possible. So you guys can actually get Ritual on Ritual Online, like I said before, and I would love to see how it benefit you. I'm going to start taking mine right now. Oh my god, just burped up minty stuff. Yes, it went down super easy. I did both of them at the same time. Maybe you shouldn't do that. Maybe I'm just too used to taking Advils because of my period cramps. As you can see, it went down super easy. It was super quick, and I'm going to keep you guys updated. Do like a update every month just to see how it's making me feel, if I don't think it's worth the hype, and you know, stuff like that. Just giving you my honest opinion. My first impression of it is I'm totally in love. I really hope that this works and helps me and my body and making sure that I'm okay. And I just can't wait to see the results in 6 months compared to today. With that being said, you already know. So you already know what it is. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and hit that notification to be a part of the Yay Gang. You already know that I love you. So why not just be a part of whatever I'm trying to do? And you know, I don't know what I'm trying to do, but we gonna figure it out together. And I'm gonna just stop procrastinating. You already know, guys. Sis, we up. Bye.
Hey, what? Curly hair on my head and I'm flexing it. I am the best with it. You couldn't tell me my worth if I knew you were trying to invest in it. What? Been through the storm and I weathered it. Cash in the name and you put some respect on it. I know you mad cause I'm fly like a dragon and fire like Master when I put the breath on it.